Y'all get in here. Somebody come help me. I loved you, baby. Love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love the baby. Y'all get in here and help me. And I still got all them bags. And look, y'all know all this syrup. And look, I still got a sink full. Somebody call 911. What I's gonna do? What I's gonna do? What I's gonna do? Hello. How are you? See, people just come in my house. Collard green deep, y'all. Look at how big them stock pots are. And look at those pot bellies. Baby. And look what I still got on the floor. Baby. Get in here. Y'all get in here. I ain't playing. These folk gonna eat like crazy. Who said my stuff wasn't gonna be fresh? And this just pie balling. I ain't cooking them all the way yet. I'm just pie balling, as y'all say parboil. I say pie. Yes, it's a lot of greens, but I got a lot of people coming. And y'all know what? I'm just beginning. I'm just beginning. Look, how these are stock pots. These are what I used to use when I catered at the church. These are mine, so I had to pull them out. Honey, I got the stuff. And then over here, I've already started pie balling some of that. Look. Shut up! I've been ready to rock through. When I rock through. Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Look at Tandy. That's my niece and food. That's Chi-Town right there. The Chicago crew in the house. Don't say Chicago don't love me. The Windy City.
11 hours on the road.
Just for Mama Tracy.
Always.
Look at him.
Woo woo. Oh my goodness.
Look at him.
These greens.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look on the floor.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
in the sink.
Oh my goodness.
Realize all those greens.
Holy cow. Look at all of these greens.
Is we gonna eat good?
Oh, we gonna eat better than good.
Better. It's gonna be better than better.
Better than better.
Better than better. And I'm just pie balling right now.
Oh, I can't wait.
I got my everything, a whole thing of everything.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's business right
I'm
there.
business on these.
This is.
I'm finna. They gonna be greasy, but not gritty.
They smell so good. Oh, they smell so.
They smell good, Tandy.
Yeah.
Oh, we gonna eat good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We've been waiting on this.
I'm gonna take y'all around the corner and drop y'all stuff off.
Okay.
What? You ready?
Yeah. Whenever you are.
Hey, go get my shoes. Let's ride around the corner real quick.
Y'all shoes?
My shoes. It's less than.
I
Go get 'em.
can't wait to get to these greens. Oh my
I like
goodness.
greens like this, but it's gonna make you love greens.
It's gonna make you love them. It's gonna make you love 'em. What you say, Niecy Pooh?
I don't like greens like this, but these feel really good. So I'm probably going to try them for sure.
For sure.
For sure.
For
Oh
sure.
yeah. She'll be going in.
When I get through putting a whipping on these, now I'm just pie balling them, but I'm gonna spank them Sunday morning.
Oh yeah.
Sunday morning come, I'm gonna put a.
They're gonna get hurt.
When Sunday morning come, these just being pie ball. I'm toning them down a little bit, getting them a little greased up a little bit, just a little. They ain't par means they semi cooked and semi not. But come Sunday, Soul Food Sunday, that's when the rest of it gonna go all the way down. And then I got a whole thing of I got something for you. Hold on one second. I want you to try. It's your special bottle because I know she can't have the cons. But you asked for it, and I didn't do nobody else one like this. So I popped yours open and did something special. So hold on.
I'm excited.
Tanya, hold this for me. Tell them, hey, let me get over here for a minute.
Hi.
This is not on the, but I do have another one.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, don't nobody else have this.
Oh, it looks so good.
You remember you want it
Yes.
It's right here. Make sure they can see.
So I turn it around.
Ooh, I'm gonna hurt myself with that.
Just do me turn it around.
Yeah, you can turn it around. They know those are syrups and apple butters to sell.
But I'm gonna get some.
I'm just gonna do it like this. I don't want to mess up your
Hello,
appetite.
Miss Marianne.
Ooh. Oh my God. That is so darn good. Oh my.
You can't have that
Oh my
one.
God. Do you know how many different things this could go on?
Mm-hmm. It's peach.
Oh my God, that's good.
What flavor is
Peach a
that?
little lighter weight.
Oh my God, that's good.
Mom, it must be really good because you're getting everything off of it.
Oh, you can put this on ice cream,
Oh, that'd probably be really good ice cream.
biscuits, on everything.
Oh, Tracy, what flavor is that?
Oh my! Oh, you got it. Oh. You could. Oh, do you know what you could do? It's 5 million things you could do with this.
I'm finna let you taste this one.
Like, I mean, if you were doing a cobbler,
I know all you got to do
all
is
you
pour.
need is add some peaches and pour that in. You need nothing else for
Hi,
your
Miss
cobbler.
Kaylin.
That make a real good cobbler.
Did I do good? Well, get the last little bit of it then. That's what I need to.
That's good. That's really good.
This is like a ready-made cobbler.
Mom, imagine that on Aunt Dot's cobbler.
Oh my God, that's real.
We should get her.
Yeah, the ice cream it'll be off
That'd
the
be
chain.
so good.
So I didn't do nobody else's like.
Hi, Miss
fat one.
Bernice.
On pound cake, you could just dribble that over some a warm slice of pound cake
But
and
nobody
some
else
ice
got no
cream.
nuts in
Yeah.
it.
You good?
Did you get a good your
I
apple?
like
Did you make
What
your
you
own?
doing?
That's
your
good.
hair.
I got that's good.
I gotta
Natural.
get it.
Yes, thank you, Miss Bernice Coleman.
Caramelize your pecans. It's caramelizing. Well, this one is the only one I have.
Yes.
Mom, you put
I'm
them in the
excited.
freezer?
So excited.
No, just these.
That's really good.
Lord, these greens are just singing to me.
Yeah, they ain't ready though.
I know they're not, but they look so pretty.
They partying
Oh,
now.
thank you, Miss
They
Bernice
look really
Coleman.
pretty.
Mom, we heard an invocation.
Turn it. You got it on now. Turn them around. Let them see them that green. Tell
You
them
got
tell them.
greens and greens
And green. Now, them
greens for
turnips.
days.
Those turnips.
Those turnips.
Okay.
Now the rest.
These
All
smell
of
so
those are
good.
Collards, turnips,
Collards.
collards.
I'm excited to try these. These smell so good.
Tell them. Let me tell them. I just want to let them know. Y'all, I'm down with the collards. Willie gonna have to whip up a pancake. I gotta whip up one called Sweet Creations by Melinda G. I don't even realize she ain't never had none of my desserts.
What did I do with my phone?
So they get ready to come up. I'm gonna come back. I just want y'all to see. Next time somebody be trying to tell y'all who ain't gonna cook,
I'm tired.
baby, I've just begun.
I'm delirious.
Okay, when I tell you on Sunday we got collard greens, turnip greens, green beans, macaroni, yam, ribs, pig in a pot, fried chicken, dressing,
All of this.
fried corn,
Yummy dressing.
pickled tomatoes and
Ew.
cucumbers and onions.
Yum.
We're going to have a German chocolate cake,
Yum.
a red velvet cake,
Yum.
coconut cake,
That's
a
good
lemon
stuff.
pound cake, a Pastor Eddie chocolate cake, sweet potato pies, buttermilk pies, tea cakes. I could go on and
I'm gonna
on
say.
and on and on. When I tell you we're gonna be sitting outside patting flies on Saturday, trying not to tell no lie. When I tell you on tomorrow on Friday night, it's gonna be a 70s Friday night fish fry, and y'all ain't seen nothing till y'all see how I'm gonna drop that fish. How Catering My Way with Willie J gonna drop that. Let me stand corrected. Catering My Way with Willie J is gonna drop that fish. So all I can tell y'all is I'm finna take her over here to their Airbnb around the corner so she can drop their stuff off, and then we go come back around the corner, and unless she wanna wait, but Anyway,
I'll bring back.
listen. Hold
You
this.
want me to bring that up?
Hold this Tiny Time. Let me give him a good little. Let me give him a good folding up real quick.
What you need?
I'm gonna get right over right here. And these gonna have some pigtails.
These?
Pigtails. And I'm gonna put some more turkey necks and stuff. But see, this you have to. These are stock. These are some good. The ones you just go to the cafeteria.
Yeah.
You're gonna feed all the prisoners on Ward 1.
Not the prisoners.
See, I'm sweating these down. I'm gonna put more in there.
Yeah.
And I'm put a little seasoning in here because they not gonna be all the way done.
Right.
But they'll be good enough. So Sunday it won't take as long to cook them.
Exactly.
Oh, stop time.
I think you have every topic ever created. don't
Yeah, I think she might.
you? I think you have the
I think
world
she
record
might.
for pockets.
We'll turn around and do the same thing over here.
This is kind of cool. I got
This is a
soft
big-
like this one. You like this one?
That came in the mail.
Nice. That one is a nice one. I've
That's
never
slime
seen.
now too.
Oh Lord, I'm allergic to slime.
Tell them this house smell like Thanksgiving.
It does. It smells so good in here.
Oh, it
Look at
smells
me in
like
the, look at me
heaven.
in the eyes.
Tiff, you gotta go out there and look at my thing on the deck now.
Valley.
Oh, you need to go see the deck.
Oh, it's Tiffany. It's good out there. This one right now.
It smells so good in here.
I do love back there. I'm gonna add more and then tell them over here. These done been parboiled down. They not all the way. And they got turkey necks in them. Smoked turkey necks.
Miss Marilyn was wondering how many people do we expect?
About a little over 100.
A little over 100.
So that's why I got so much. Because I don't want to run out of nothing.
Should I show them the bags?
Yeah, you can show them down there too.
We got bags
Those are
of
5 bags of turnips.
turnip greens, and then like sink is
More collards.
More collard greens.
Okay. Who ain't playing? Who don't really cook? I cook, and I'm going to cook for y'all. I'm just pie-balling them or parballing them, as y'all say. We say pie. And so that they will be ready to go on Sunday morning when we start them all over. I'm going to cool these down, put them in the freezer. Sunday morning, we're going to load them up. We're going to cook them all the way. They're going to be greasy, but not gritty. And, who going to be cooking all weekend? Me and the crew. Ain't that what they said on Bell Bill DeVoe? Tell them, me and the crew, we used to do. What is she talking about? I'm about to turn it up. And folk didn't come all the way this way for me not to cook. I ain't playing, Reggie. I can't wait till y'all start popping in here. Reggie, you be here on tomorrow? Is you coming in tomorrow? I wish all y'all could be here, but y'all will be able to see some stuff. I wish all y'all could be here. I understand it wasn't financially able. You had a year. Things happen. But nevertheless, I'm not going to withhold none of what y'all supposed to see. All right? So I'm going to run and the rest of the crew come. I'm going to save my battery. And I'll come back live. That's what Bell Bill DeVoe said. How they know me and the crew used to do a poison. So I'm finna run Tiffany around here so she could see. And then the rest of the crew will be here. And then that's how we gonna do it. That's what they said. They said this is how we do it. This is how we do it. All hands up in the air and waving from here to there. And if you want to be player, something. It feels so good in the hood. tonight. So sit back, relax, put on your headgear. I just make them. When I'm tired of cooking, you'll understand. This is how we do it.
Yes.
Mama Tracy do it like nobody can. This is how we do it. She got collard greens and turnips on the floor. This is how we do it. She's doing it like the old school, you know. This is how we do it. Listen, let me go. I'm going to see y'all later. Honey, what? Bees.